What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Chevy Silverado headlights. Here's the grill. If you want to know how to remove the grill, check out one of my other videos. It's really simple. I'll give you a quick rundown. There's a clip here, clip here, clip here, clip here, clip there, and one down there. So a total of, what is that, 4, 5, 6, and they look like that. You're gonna have to take a bolt off here, 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 and here, and then clips that are clipping in to hold down your top piece. Anyways, again, if you want to see how to remove that, check out one of my other videos. This one is how to do the headlights. So to do the headlights, what I did was, you're gonna have a bolt here, and then you're gonna have a bolt down here, one here, and here. So you have a total of 4. So as you can see, here's 4 of them. Yeah, so that's the 4 bolts. Gonna need to remove, again, there's one down here, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and then this one just has to be loosened. Same thing with like over here. Gonna have one right here, one right here, one under there, and then again the side one. So as you can see, I'll show you on the stock headlight, 1, 2. Let's see, and then there's the third one around the back. So 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one was kind of a makeshift one, but here it is. It's a bracket that kind of clips on. So I don't know if these new ones have it. These new ones do not. So yours might have it, yours might not. Mine did. So that's the 4 bolts I had to remove again. One down there, 2, 3, and then the 4th. To get to the 4th, this one you don't really have to, but you can. And again, that's where this extra bolt came from, was the side. So what I did was, took out the bolt that goes right there, pried that back, and there it is. I know it's kind of blurry. Sorry, my phone's not focusing. There it is. So I just loosened that so it would slide out. So yeah, those are the 4 bolts you're gonna need. And again, these are my headlights. And yeah, this is pretty much everything. So I'm gonna put these in, and you put them in just the way you took it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's gonna be 4 bolts total holding it together. This one, like I said, I might try to put it on. It came with this little bracket, so this kind of was its own thing, and there you can see it. So I'm gonna personally try to put this back in before I put the headlight back in. So that's just gonna go like that to hold the headlight. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and leave any comments, questions, concerns that you may have. But yeah, that's how you put in the new headlights, or that's how you put in, or that's how you remove headlights. And I like to keep my videos short and quick, but yeah, again, if you need a better video on how to take out the grill, go check that out. This whole video, or this video, is leading up to the whole finale of I'm trying to, completely redo the truck, the interior, the exterior. Hopefully all the chrome is going to be color matched blue. The grill is going to be blue, and then this is going to be black. If that doesn't turn out good, I'm going to do a whole new grill. So yeah, stay tuned for all this to come. But yeah, hopefully you found this helpful. Again, then to get the headlight, you kind of just slowly work it out and then unscrew all the bulbs. So again, hopefully you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you for watching 303 Streets.